Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we do post 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you can find the perfect one for you. So this one we're going to be talking about startup operations specialist. It's 100% remotely and it pays $30 an hour. It starts in June 2022 and it ends in June 2023, so for a whole year. You'll be getting paid as a 1099 contractor, so you'll be an independent contractor and you only work 25 hours a week. So for this one, Agelist is in their search for a startup operations specialist. As a member of their founder operations team, you will work directly with founders to help them use Stack effectively. You will report into the product lead for founder products. There's a contract position. They're looking for a detail-oriented, organized, and fast executor who will provide exceptional service to the founders. In this role, you will be expected to communicate directly with founders and execute complex workflows. The ideal candidate will have experience in a sophisticated client-facing role and be excited at the prospect of supporting our mission in increasing the numbers of successful startups in the world. Key competencies for this role include superb written and verbal communication. You will speak directly with the founders about early stage startups and learn about their needs. Own the incorporation flow, helping founders incorporate new companies and take action on important first steps. You will develop a great understanding of the venture ecosystem and how venture capital works. You'll collaborate with the product team to ensure we are delivering a great experience to the founders. Some other characteristics to the ideal candidate will be exceptional written and verbal communication skills, ability to follow complex playbooks, high EQ and attention to user needs, superb attention to detail and desire to delight customers, a deep love for startups and desire to understand the infrastructure of venture finance. Some other benefits include flexible hours. While we prefer someone who can work Eastern hours, we can work with your schedule, and unlimited paid time off. So if this sounds like you, remember it pays $30 an hour. The contract is fully for a whole year, so from June to June. It's a startup operations specialist. It only works 25 hours per week and it is fully remote. If this sounds like the perfect opportunity for you, I'll put the link right in the description right there for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the best remote work from home jobs just for you because we have 5 to 7 leads every single day just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.